Ebusia aha attention TV so me Kwaba de baso social media trends and it's me koso e wo Ghana me ha say na bagime dwa me de beso mo jojo e attention TV so what you me na won like na won subscribe na won share ya mpato yes ejume yi efa e ma me na yakopon e be show papa eyi papa na ebusia ensema ne ekoso ene Kwabena Agyepong na Kwabena Agyepong ye obi a ye be ka ne se oye businessman or sanso eka oye civil engineer ana osanso eka MPP amodo ekonu na New Patriotic Party ehun na we ano ne Kwame Sefa kan akopie mu e wo Sefa matches e wototo na adwen pa e de ama Ibrahim Mahama efa ensem a course ewo montem a check aka na we ana kire se Kwabena Agyepong na akoye obi a odi akotene pa ewo MPP amonye kuonim na se ye hwe Ibrahim Mahama nso a ne nia enso eye excellency John Dramani Mahama de na onim se ono so ewo NDC amanyo kum na kire se busua enye ntokakoto akora na we ana papa yi ekasa ya na Kwame Sefa kan se we report na men ka wasembi se wo be kai se asemi ba ye mi bisa questions ba ko mienu bi e ma wizia na za question no eda so wa papa yi a wasanso betina hanu musi ya wasanso can the same thing. Abusia Kwabena Agyepong akasa bebre e dia fast ansem no ho ana owie ye no so wa ma Ibrahim Mahama so asoma anyo na ne watete bi pa e de amano bra woni Sefa Kwame Sefa kan e kasa kokroko ejubedie so ma meka wose University Foundation na kwa ejumedie wasoma sena mede jumedie e be so mo yenko tie Kwabena Agyepong enu sem embassy
na enipa bitimi bopo ekɔhye dem se yengu abrantie hufin ne yenkensem a enimu ento no so
hefo na yesa
Kwame omnim ye ho mebo meka bia kyerɛ petitions me no eba me so first no unim omudi
David
yesi Baako de adreba omo land no Baako so de antwibo esi akɔ so land up to now me hu omoda I never know them. Nobody could verify at the time say almost status in the party, but because of the collusion to destroy me and my family and my life, now you say constitution is very clear on processes of petitions. Now say me to say John Wedu say Obia should follow the right channels. Now say hey, now say you say right channel we say when it suited them they didn't follow the right channel. That petition never landed at the party headquarters. According to our constitution, steering committee and share idea and review ya. Now who said the lawyer for a primary facie case. And Sanya, the ama disciplinary committee. The disciplinary committee on its own cannot invoke its initial jurisdiction. It's in our constitution. As was the answer disciplinary committee. Now. Nanka edru here in the crowd, miss me the respect amounts. Okay, my friend, remember. There was a feeling that can you say me kokra because didn't follow the channel. It was all the procedures. The parties, your party can see lawyers, I can see omunim and Ukraine. And so none was followed. And so just because of my love and respect for the party, I submitted myself. Say, who they make? Omo petition, Omo smart. Nipa say on present a petition. No, I'm saying how can that be? Wow, plenty for who accuse obi. And I Kwame the na ya was idea say. Your official okay statement Akumia release as director of communication.
No, I mean kind of full statement
me issue a response. Ni nyina wo internet no. But that time why na be tie wasem. Obi aso sisi ye power anti. Obi aso sisi. Tinkofu busam say na wan kasa nam so you say no me patience nyankopon ho ni makoma me say me nya hwe de enkoba na sa the official reasons wo ho and the friend unofficial ones and no ne whispering campaign ne dey ato ase say oh yes wo maton party no ya toka ama na Kwame wanti
say okwaji lan Kristo Ibrahim ho ni nyina bae
ai wo so de wo ni Ibrahim mo aye say me nuanom nketo a wo islegon
elimpa
enti wo se me di wo ho ya papa
na me lan Kristo na bae
me se me di me ho ya papa Ibrahim no so me hia no ba bi ka che se me di ne ho ya wo te Ghana watoka amame a otie bia omeka
na okay me
who ya because Kwame you the journalist I mean no my ejuma kwaku ba kokra me di no ya nti ko ba aka me ka kire of course me ni my we are say obi be friend say bu I so sign it Kwame me no anante ache ne ye ka asem bi tu so me ka say asem we de Kwabena onye
Kwabena oni ni ntam so me di hu ya pa me na me interview wa tam asem ne bae me I gave you a voice on this show and now can I see me now and let me carry one question that me bisao me say bisao the same thing I've written it down me also say na me try my same question now me bisao that time me say are they all wrong and you alone are right and now say bibi wo wa ya causes our problem with obekaya me na me bisao asem
na bibi say
because same when you na buy no me I know so di me ho ya no say ya fallibility of human memory be already me interview or hand up bi
on the phone interview asem na make
me ba ena me ma o chance na otimi ya nyoma ni na no enti me boni me na mai
boni a why you say sometimes you are the neutral arbiter
enti you say can me be come out
that o can be say Kwabena me nim ne suman why press secretary mfiensia anti mfie no machi asem amodi na Kwame 2007 I'm the youngest aspirant out of the 17.
Me also I'm saying interview. You were 45, 46 years
That's
old.
right.
Me also I'm interview.
I mean interview now we insist on the you know America. Me just say
platform.
So when to your platform na say o de mama. E say we sign me ti. So we nim nipa na. E say o de me ka say no. Asem amoka die. Enim. Asem so mo yes and so mo nim say asem no enye no kre. Na Kwame yankasa as part of the package. Me a man scholarship.
Yeah. Make up UK.
Aye. Me kodi eko ye ni PhD. Na me nya nwene ho kwase me general secretary. General secretary was 2014. Me ko 2012. That time kana Mills na president of the country. Or me so the way lecturer. Juma oye no no. O nya na ye oko. Institute of Journalism so muniska IDF my. The first 2 years I paid with my own savings. The records are there. Na nanse am publish one more ekoje your friend is saying scholarships from NDC time ministers be no mon kan eno dem ka bibi omo cry it was proven MPP ministers or members of parliament omo cry no mo lecturers Kwame omo ko eje edi say mo di kusuan de ko Harvard so ye kon ever. Did you ever see the name of Lawrence Agyepong in it?
No, I didn't.
He didn't. Nenti aden say inipetimi twatro etu nipa so na nipa amene mo aye adwuma ntimi nkase mosomo wo voice kwaku Baako respected voice Kwame sika no saade wedi na make ebinum gina national television so ye wo evidence ye wo video ye wo say wo mo famra ne we've been in power for 6 years. The government has custody of all the intelligence machinery. Na semimi swa in 1999 na ediska pudo say Ibrahim me se me mpem sata mana me ni bi na manyina ye penimu te semia me makro anyinyini me diska ye den na ye be ka se nti Land Cruiser $100,000 ehia me nti eno de se betimi ato Kwame
the cash wo
oh betimi ato na se we adwuma wo save
I know
na 207 na me cars ye 4 na me de kampe na Land Cruiser ka ho Ford Explorer ka ho your friends a forerunner ka ho any pick up Baako 4-car convoy.
I will see a Kwame Japan and Muslim and I could a day a buyer no ha. I attention to so social media trends so any macro medas.